Join us in this heartwarming story of family unity and culinary passion as we look into the inspiring journey of Baking Duck Bakeshop, a delightful dessert haven crafted with love, a family-owned dessert shop that's more than just sweets. It's a story of love, unity, and delicious creations. In this video, meet the dynamic team of 5 siblings Mikoy Morales and Paolo Morales, along with their dedicated mom and cousins Ellen Chu and Elisse Chu, who transformed their shared love for baking into a thriving family business. We're here at the Ortigas Market and we are interviewing one of the vendors, Baking Duck, Sir Paolo. Hi, pakilala muna, Pao.
Hi, I'm Paolo Morales, the baker and owner of Baking Duck.
So siguro nakakapagtaka, no? Bakit ba naging Baking Duck siya? Puro cookies naman siya.
Actually, wala lang din. Pagtripan lang namin ng mga cousins ko and brothers yung name na Baking Duck kasi tunog Baking Duck pero hindi naman yun yung binibenta namin.
Discover the heartwarming origins of Baking Duck Bakeshop. What began as a humble gifts and tokens of love soon transformed into a vision of sharing sweet desserts with the world. The dedication to perfecting their craft prompted the family to turn their dream into reality, even amidst challenging times. Can you introduce us ano yung mga binibenta nyo rito na cookies?
Baking Duck, mainly pastries and homemade products. So we have brownies, cinnamon rolls, and cookies. Mainly cookies, different kinds of cookies. But we first started with just selling brownies because it's just my mother's recipe that we usually just give out during Christmas and pag celebrations laging ni-request lang sa mom namin is brownies. So pinag-isipan namin ng brother ko and yung cousin is to develop it and gawin namin family business na siya na products.
Experience their adaptability firsthand as the pandemic knocked them to redefine their path. Witness how their online presence flourished, paving the way for their delicious treats to be discovered by a wider audience. Their journey took them from virtual shelves to bustling pop-up bazaars like Ortigas Market, uniting people with the joy of exceptional pastries. Driving force, but paano kayo nag-start ng ganitong business?
Kasi yung mom namin is pa-retire na siya at that time. So pa-retire na siya. And
2020?
2020 is parang a few years na lang mag-retire na siya. And gusto naman niya talaga gawin is mag-bake supposedly after. So sabi namin, but hindi na namin simulan before ka pa mag-retire. Para when you retire, parang nakaset up na lahat. Parang gagawin na lang.
Oh. Pero ikaw, you're still working after college?
After college, when nag-graduate ako noong 2018, nagtuturo ako sa Spain. Nagtuturo ako ng English doon. And then, I came back here for a few months nga. Tapos, yun, nag-full-time sa Baking Duck.
At the heart of this success lies their remarkable mom, whose secret recipe paved the way for their business. Behind every sweet bite lies a secret recipe passed down from a dedicated mom. Witness how her dedication to baking ignited a lifelong passion in her sons, Mikoy and Paolo Morales. From their earliest days, the family's kitchen was a place of joy and creativity, where the foundation of their culinary expertise was laid. From baking for her young kids to sharing her passion with them, she sowed the seeds of their culinary journey. So before doing this business, anong ginagawa mo? After college ba? You graduated?
Yeah, after college. Actually, before ako graduate pa.
Anong course?
International Studies
Mm-mm.
in European languages. Yun yung major ko. And then, before I graduated, nasa Spain na ako, nagtuturo ako ng English for kids. And then, pagka-graduate ko, I came back here just to graduate dapat. And then, ayun. So, after nung pagbalik ko dito, nung January na yun, namin na-start naman.
So, how many years ka sa Spain at that
Parang
time?
a year lang.
A
A
year?
year putol eh. 1 year, then pagbalik ko dito, stinart namin to. And then nung nag-pandemic, after 2021, na bumalik ako ulit ng Spain para mag-ipon.
Pero ba't ka nag-decide na go into this family business na baking?
Well, ito rin kasi yung gusto kong gawin na. So, nag-decide ako na na pagbalik ko dito from Spain is to pursue yung family business na talaga. And yung passion din naman namin is to bake and to sa food talaga.
So, ang mami mo ba talagang baker?
Ang baker talaga yung mom ko from nung bata pa lang kami nag-bake na siya talaga. Pero hindi siya parang self-taught lang din siya na baker.
Pero she work in a company na hindi
No,
baking
no.
o baking company.
Housewife yung mom ko for the longest time. So like lang siya niluluto sa bahay.
Tapos nagbe-bake lang
Nag-bake
siya.
lang sa bahay.
But then she didn't start na mag-business ng baking.
No.
Talaga? So sino nag-ano sa kanya? Sino nag-prompt sa kanya to enter into a baking?
Well, passion lang din talaga niya na magluto. And food talaga kasi sa family, mahilig talaga sa food. So siya, nagbe-bake siya. So yun, ever since talaga.
Hindi, pero sa inyo, ikaw, anong nag-prompt sa'yo para ituloy itong ganitong business?
Actually, hindi ko lang din na-experience ko na gusto kong magluto talaga is nung nasa Spain ako kasi very independent, tapos walang marunong magluto. So lahat ng tinatanong ko lang sa mom ko na paano gawin yung ganito, paano gawin yung ganito. So yun, natutunan ko na gawin yung mga recipes nila ng family doon. Tapos nag-start na gusto ko rin itong gawin, gusto ko rin magluto. So yun.
So, hindi mo ba naiisip na mag-iba ng line after this business?
No, kasi wala. As I said a while ago, food talaga yung gusto kong i-take na line of work. Anything related to food yun talaga. Well, ang gusto lang din namin gawin is mag-expand into, syempre, hindi lang pastries, kung in the future, mag-expand to like savory products or anything else. Basta food pa rin.
Pero syempre sa skills no sa baking, paano nag-start yung baking skills nyo?
Baking skills, well, yung cousin ko, si Ate Emmy,
Oh, here's Emmy. Hi, si Emmy. Medyo shy.
siya talaga is trained talaga na
Meron bang
chef.
baker sa family?
Siya talaga.
So, nag-aral talaga siya.
So yun, so yung family din nila is into food din, same side ng mother side din sila. So into
Pero
food.
they also have their own business na food?
Ito na yun. So
Okay. So joint forces.
Joint forces. So since isa lang naman din yung goal na gusto ng family namin na sa food talaga, sama na lang.
So paano yung mother niya at saka mother mo?
Yung mother ko at saka yung daddy. Yung
Magpinsan.
magkapatid.
Magkapatid. Okay. So ito naman sa MA, yung business partner at pinsan ni Paolo. So kasi yung tinatanong kasi, yung competency syempre, baking yan, di ba? So sabi ni Paolo, ikaw daw yung nagbe-bake sa family. Anong background mo sa baker?
I studied in UST po, HRM. Ito ka HRM. Tapos after graduating, nag-additional course lang po in baking and pastry.
Pero love mo talaga mag-baking?
Opo. Since bata pa po kami. So actually, sumasali po ako sa mom niya pag nag-bake.
Kasi yung mom talaga ang baker, yung talagang passionate about baking. Pero ang tanong kasi is, after college ba nag-work ka?
Opo, may previous jobs po ako pero restaurant.
Restaurant? Mga nakailang years ka doon?
Mga 2 years din pero different restaurants.
Okay. Indulge in the heavenly flavors of sticky tita cinnamon rolls that melt into your mouth and sugar mommy brownies that evoke a rich chocolatey taste. Discover the secrets behind their mouth-watering sticky tita cinnamon rolls. Watch as the dough is carefully rolled, infused with aromatic cinnamon, and baked to perfection. And don't miss the captivating process of whipping up their signature's Sugar Mommy brownies, where each bite evokes love and dedication. We'll take you through the meticulous process of crafting each pastry masterpiece, from the delicate layering of cinnamon rolls to the rich perfection of brownies and the art of baking the softest cookie. Hi Pao, so nasabi mo nag-international studies ka. So na-apply mo rin ba yung mga international studies dito sa business?
In a way, yes, na-apply naman siya in terms of yung communication and skills na natutunan doon, na-apply rin into like selling the products here. And ang malaking factor rin is yung cultural experiences from different places na napuntahan is yun yung naka-influence din sa akin into like trying out to produce food that's related to yung mga products na yun. So yun,
At saka sa Spain, mahilig silang kumain, di ba?
Yeah, mahilig nga silang.
So anong natutunan mo sa Spain during the Spain tips?
Well, mainly yung kung paano sila gumawa ng products. Well, lahat talaga is fresh. Lahat, yung quality nila is dun sa base products nila. So, kaya laging fresh yung mga lalo na sa pastries nila din. Yung bread nila, simple bread. Dahil okay yung and quality yung products na ginagamit nila. The Ortigas Market and for now is sa Sidcor Market sa Sundays.
Learn from the Morales Chu family how persistence and unwavering focus propelled their business forward. Witness their journey through the initial hurdles where lost sales didn't deter their spirits. With a commitment to quality and innovation, they harnessed the power of social media and online marketing to create a buzz around their delectable offerings. Ano yung mga naging challenges nyo in putting up this business?
Well, yung challenges namin mainly is yung first, since pandemic kami mainly nag-start, nag-focus kami on, syempre, online sales. So, dun kami nag-base talaga from yung years ng pandemic, so online base. But recently, since nag-open up na yung mga tao to going outside, humina na yung online sales. So, we're looking into physical presence talaga. Yun na yung hinahanap ng tao kasi lumalabas na sila. So, yun yung struggle sa amin is to makahanap ng mga pop-ups and maging aware yung mga tao na we are available outside and hindi lang online.
So, bakit pop-up ang napili yung distribution market?
Yun yung ECES for now na kaya ng capable kaming gawin with our manpower and with our products. So, yeah.
So may capacity constraints kayo?
Constraints for now.
For now. Okay. Pero napansin ko nga masasarap yung mga products at saka matagal na kayo. No? So nabanggit mo dalawa yung outlet nyo na pop-up.
Yes.
Ortigas and...
Ortigas and QC and Centuries, Sedcor Market.
So bakit itong pinili yung place? Itong
Well,
Ortigas Market?
Yung Ortigas Market, ito yung first na market talaga na we joined in. And then, from March, we were here already. And so far, nakabuild na kami ng regular customers. So, yun na yung naging regular namin. We started with the Saturdays. And then, na-figure out namin na we need a Sunday market para hindi sayang yung production namin ng Saturdays. Kasi pagka hindi naubos, sayang naman. So, online lang namin ulit napapasa. Mas maganda na meron pang Sundays para hindi sayang yung production namin before that.
Kasi di ba mahirap kasi mag-business, no? What will be your advice sa mga bagong gustong mag-business like this one?
Well, just i-pursue lang talaga if they really want. Huwag kayong mawawalan or huwag kayong madadown because of hindi maganda yung sales, hindi maganda yung ano. If you really want to, just pursue it. And pinaka-advice ngayon is to make use of social media talaga. Kasi dun talaga lahat umiikot ngayon, and it's really helpful for the business to grow when you know the ins and outs of social media and how to market your product.
So paano nyo nga pala minamarket ito through social media?
Well, ngayon, inaaral namin is to make videos about it. TikTok and Instagram is a very good platform na easily na ma-access ng mga tao, na easily mapapanood nila, and yun.
Okay, like this vlog, no, sa Ortigas Market, so ipopost natin para malaman nila that you're one of the vendors ng Ortigas Market. Family, flavors, and a lot of heart. That's the recipe behind Baking Duck Bakeshop's success. Let us celebrate the Morales Chu family's dedication and triumph, proving that with unity, perseverance, and a sprinkle of sweetness, any challenge can be turned into an opportunity. Subscribe to our Magnegosyo ID Bureau channel to stay inspired by more such remarkable stories and sweet delights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest creations and heartwarming journey. Share this story with fellow foodies and inspire others to pursue their culinary dreams.